Dear students, welcome to third video lesson on final accounts. In first video lesson, we discussed about trading account. In second, profit and loss account formats. This is third one. We are discussing about balance sheet formats. Before enter into balance sheet, my kind suggestion to students is until and unless you write trading account 10 times and profit and loss account format 10 times, don't rush to balance sheet. There is no urgency. Just you practice trading account, then you practice profit and loss account, then you are supposed to enter into this third video lesson. Then only you are going to be very good at the final accounts. So let us start video lesson. So you are watching third video lesson on balance sheet means I assume that you are very well in trading account debit items, trading account credit items, profit and loss account debit items, profit and loss account credit items. Until and unless practicing this problem, any other problems which in your notes, don't rush to see balance sheet. Only by watching you cannot. By practicing only, you are going to be very good at the final accounts. So my kind suggestion is you have to identify what are the trading account debit items, what are the trading account credit items, what are the profit and loss account debit items, what are the profit and loss account credit items. TD, TC, PD, and PC. Now we are entering into balance sheet. Now another two will be added. That is, what are the assets you have to identify, what are the liabilities you have to identify. So final accounts means finally you have to make 6 categories. What are the TDs? What are the TCs? What are the PDs? What are the PCs? Then what are the assets? What are the liabilities? If you categorize 6, then it is very easy for you to make final accounts. Now balance sheet. After preparing profit and loss account, the next step is to prepare balance sheet. So it is a statement of assets and liabilities. Balance sheet, you have to remember, balance sheet is not an account. There will not be any debit side, there will not be any credit side. It is a statement of assets and liabilities. Usually this practice debit side liabilities, left hand side liabilities are written and right hand side assets are written. There is no debit, there is no credit. Only balance sheet is a statement prepared on a given date. Prepared on a given date at the end of the financial year. It will be given. That's why we used the word balance sheet of RAM as on 31st March 2020. Why it is called balance sheet? Because it shows the balances of ledger accounts which were not closed till the preparation of trading and profit and loss account. So the balance of accounts which were not at all closed till trading and profit and loss account will appear in the trial balance because we are taking that balance items in a sheet, the balance of accounts in a sheet, it became balance sheet. Balance sheet. So balance sheet is not an account, it is a statement. It is having two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side liabilities, that is in practice, and the right hand side assets. Now you see the format of balance sheet. It is in front of you. So liabilities, what are the liabilities? Bank overdraft. That means the bank overdraft mean the amount of a balance which we withdrawn from the bank in excess of our balance. For example, we have 1,000 in our bank account, but we have because of our business having very good relations with bank, we may withdraw 10,000. We have having 1,000 in our bank account, but we withdraw 10,000 from bank. That means 9,000 is the overdrawn amount. That is called overdraft. Bills payable. Bills payable means the bills which we accepted. The bills which we accepted for our creditors are called bills payable. Outstanding expenses like salaries payable, rent payable are liabilities. Sundry expenses payable. Sundry expenses payable. Any sundry expenses payable should be here. Sundry expenses payable are also expenses. Next, income received in advance is also an liability. Long-term liability, that means bank loan. Usually in company accounts, debentures also called long-term liabilities. And share the next owners liabilities, capital, that is add net worth less drawings. So capital is the investment by the owner, and net profit, which is balance figure of profit and loss account, which is transferred here. With net profit, we have to add. If it is a net loss, we have to less. So that is opposite will be there. And drawings, that means the amount which is withdrawn by the owner from the business is less. Whatever the amount given by the owner to the business is credited to capital account. Whatever the amount withdrawn by the owner is debited to drawings account. That is should be shown here. So there is an adjustment. Because of that adjustment, inner column is being used. If there is any addition, if there is any subtraction, the inner column is used. Until and unless there is an addition, deletion, adjustment, there is no significance to inner column. All items should be shown in the outer column. That you have to remember. Then what are the assets? The cash in our business and the cash balance in our bank account, the bills accepted by our customers, and our customer account, that is it. Debtors means our customers. Prepaid expense, prepaid insurance, like this. Accrued expenses, that means usually they are called that is accrued incomes, is with the accrued incomes. So this is accrued incomes, that is incomes, accrued incomes. That is incomes receivable should be shown here. And there is an error crept in. Sorry for this. And closing stock, these are the current assets. The assets which can be converted into money are called current assets. Then investments made by the business shown here. And furniture, fixtures, plant and machinery, land and buildings, all these are called fixed assets. The assets which are used in the business, the assets which are held not for resale, the assets which are held by the business not for resale, the assets which are going to give benefit to the business more than 1 year are called fixed assets. Fixed assets are shown here, and goodwill is called intangible assets. So assets are shown here, and liabilities are shown here. And there is one concept called marshalling of balance sheet. The balance sheet is arranged in two orders: order of liquidity and order of permanence. If balance sheet is arranged in order of liquidity, the best example is here. This is so current liabilities, current assets, and long-term liabilities and fixed assets. Like this, current assets, fixed assets, current liabilities, long-term liabilities. Like this, when balance sheet is arranged, that is called marshalling of balance sheet in liquidity preference. If it is opposite, that is called permanency preference. That means furniture, fixtures, plant and machinery, land and buildings are shown first. Then is called the order of, that is permanence order. So what are the, so already you know what it is called current assets, the assets which can be converted into money within one accounting year. Current assets. The assets which are used in the business, the assets which are held for not for resale, the assets which are used in the business relatively for a long period are called fixed assets. And the current liabilities, they are called current liabilities. The liabilities which are to be paid within 1 year are called current liabilities. Present liabilities to be paid within 1 year. So bank overdraft, bills payable, outstanding expenses there. So the liabilities which are paid more than 1 year are called long-term liabilities. They're called owners' funds, capital, net profit, and owner. So you have to make what are the liabilities L, what are the assets A. So you write 10 times this format. Write this format 10 times, and you will remember what are the assets, what are the liabilities. So now let us make a small problem. Then we will. So prepare balance sheet. Cash in hand is given 2,000. Bank overdraft given. Cash at bank is given. Bills payable is given. Bills receivable is given. Debtors is given. Bank loan is given. Furniture fixtures are given. Plant and machinery is given. Land and buildings is given, capital is given, drawings is given. This is balance sheet. So when balance sheet is given, if you write 10 times, you easily identify cash in hand, A asset. Bank overdraft, L liability. Cash and bank, A asset. Bills payable, L liability. Bills receivable, A asset. Sunday debtors, A asset. Bank loan, L liability. Furniture fixtures, A asset. Plant and machinery, A asset. Land and buildings, A asset. Capital, L liability. Drawings, L minus, minus from capital. Net profit added to capital. So, so balance sheet, the title of balance sheet is like the answer. It will in front of you within 1 second. Balance sheet of RAM as on, because balance sheet is prepared on a particular date. That's why the title is given. Balance sheet of RAM as at or as on. Now the answer is in front of you. You see here, cash in hand, A asset. Bank overdraft, L liability. Cash at bank, A asset. Bills payable, L liability. Bills receivable, A asset. Sundry debtors, A asset. Bank loan, L liability. Furniture fixtures, fixed asset, A. Plant and machinery, A asset. Land and buildings, A asset. Capital, L liability. Drawings less from capital. Net profit added to capital. So 3,000 capital, add 1,400, 4,400, minus 100, 4,300. If you add this all, you get 7,000. If you add all this, you get 7,000. This is called tally balance sheet. Balance sheet is balanced. Balance sheet is tallied. So actually, I have taken explained elaborately the trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Whatever I may explain, but the result is in your hands, in your practice. If you practice with your pen and paper, that is assignment, 10 times trading account, 10 times profit and loss account, 10 times balance sheet, then it is very easy for you finish profit and loss account. And I will see your comments and your response. I'm very happy that a very good number of students are asking about final accounts videos. Usually, if I go to boys' side, whenever boys or girls met me, sir, please final accounts videos, sir, final account videos. I'm very happy with your comments, with your initiation, with your very even usually boys are not interested in videos, all this, but I got very good response from boys side also, and nevertheless girls are very good at practicing, and because of your response for final accounts videos, I made it, and the remaining all 18 videos I made as part and parcel of my duty. But actually, I don't want to prepare final accounts videos, but you people, no doubt, encouraged me, and with your comments, with your affection towards my videos, and I made these 3 videos, and another video, no doubt, will come, that is adjustments, and we will see what is going to happen, and no doubt very good number of students are writing assignments. Very nice, you are writing a very good nice assignments. I'm no doubt my heart filled with ecstasy and enthusiasm when I see your particularly your assignments. Very good, neatly writing. When you write like that, I'm feeling grateful, and at the same time, your parents, if they see your notes, no doubt, they may in their heart they feel very happy that joining their students with this college. No doubt they feel proud of Tara Government College. In this, I want to end this video lesson, and ready to